In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gridlines in Wix. Gridlines are an essential tool for web design, helping you align elements precisely on your page to create a clean and professional look. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned designer looking to refine your skills, understanding how to use gridlines effectively can significantly enhance your web building experience. To get started, navigate to the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for creating and editing your site. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of tools and options on the toolbar to the left and at the top of your screen. It may seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll zero in on what you need. Next, look for the Tools option. It's usually found in the top menu bar of the editor. Clicking on Tools will bring up a drop-down menu with several features you can toggle on or off. Among these is Gridlines. You might be wondering, why use gridlines? Well, gridlines are designed to help you organize your content neatly. By providing a visual guideline while you design, they ensure everything is in perfect harmony and alignment. No more guesswork. Go ahead and click on Gridlines. Instantly, you'll see a series of vertical and horizontal lines appear across your design canvas. These lines don't publish on your live site, they're just there to guide you. You can use these lines to snap elements into place, ensuring your design is symmetrical and aesthetically pleasing. This is especially useful when you need to center text, images, or buttons. Now, you might notice that gridlines can be toggled off just as easily as they can be turned on. Simply click on Gridlines again, and they will disappear from view. This feature is particularly handy when you want a clean view of your design without any distractions. It allows you to easily switch between design and refinement phases without permanently switching your workspace around. To sum it up, utilizing gridlines in the Wix editor is a straightforward process that greatly enhances your ability to create visually appealing, well-organized web pages. Remember, gridlines are meant to assist, not constrain. Feel free to toggle them on and off as you need, ensuring your project remains both creatively fulfilling and structurally sound. By incorporating gridlines into your design workflow, you'll save time and reduce the frustration of alignment issues. So, the next time you're on Wix, give these steps a try. Happy designing!